positivity. When we get caught up in negativity, when we get caught up in the I can'ts or I shouldn't, we are just very harsh on ourselves. And over time, that will stop you from trying to move forward. Now, when babies are born, they fear of nothing. They'll try to climb, they try to walk, and they're not afraid. But over time, with people talking to them and telling them, don't do that, you can't do that, you'll get hurt, they soon start not exploring as much as they used to. There was this story about a little ballerina, and the girl, she was 4 years old, and she was at her home watching television. And she saw the ballerina on the television. She was watching it, and she was so beautiful, and she had the pink tutu and doing the pirouettes and all of that. So the little girl got so excited, and she told her brother, she said, when I grow up, I want to be a ballerina. He put down his little Tonka truck and looked at her, ha ha, and laughed. He said, oh no, you're too clumsy. Look at those big feet. So the little girl, she got teary-eyed, and she went in the kitchen where her mom was. She says, Mom, when I grow up, I want to be a ballerina. Well, the mom, not meaning or intending to hurt her own daughter, she said, baby, maybe you could do something else. Maybe you would like to. And she started naming off the things the girl could do. But what she was telling her is, you can't do that, or I don't think you're able. And that's what happens to adults sometimes. They get locked up in what situations or people have told them, and they become negative, or they have a low self-image, or they even just feel, I can't. But when you have a positive mind, that means you have a growth mindset. That means you're willing to try. And if you try it and it doesn't work out, that means, oh, well, let me see what I need to fix so that it'll work out the next time. Let me find out who I can connect with that can help me get it right. When you have a fixed mindset, you take everything internally and think you're not worthy, you can't do it. But the power of positivity